Hello everyone, my name is Brendan Hauk and I'm conducting a presentation for Data 620 taught by Professor Prasanna Mehta at the University of Maryland University College. Today we are going to look at a data set of flight delays spanning from June 2003 to August 2016. The data is broken down by month, year, providing 158 data points to be utilized for analytics. The purpose of this presentation is to answer the question, of the airlines and airports chosen for this study and analyzed, is there an airport-airline combination that is significantly more reliable when it comes to flight delays and cancellations? In Figure 1, I have listed each airport with the total minutes of delay broken down into the categories shown in the legend. BWI is Baltimore Thurgood Marshall, DCA is DC Ronald Reagan, and IAD is Washington Dulles. Here we are looking for any high-level visual trends that might indicate a good choice. We can quickly see a seemingly downward trend across all of the delays at IAD from about mid-2014 to the end of the dataset. We can then look ahead to our predictive models for 2017. They are at a 26, 33, 38% quality level from top to bottom, respectively. This is not poor, but as Tableau indicates, it is just okay. In this example, the precision range is many times plus or minus the predicted sum, or many times even higher than the original sum. This does not lend to a very solid predictive analysis, and I have fairly low confidence in it. In Figure 2, we are looking to see what the predictive models show for the airports and airlines. A quick look shows no real patterns in the airline and airport combination data. The predictive analysis spikes in the middle as well as we would expect it, encompassing the summer months. The only graphs that slightly, although negatively, visually catch my attention are United Airlines at IAD and American Airlines at DCA. Figure 3 is comprised of easy to distinguish data which can be selected from the legend by airport. When IAD is selected, there is a clear indication that United, shown in red as a plus symbol, has the highest pattern of total sum of delay minutes across the data time period. An additional concern I can identify at IAD is American Airlines, which seems to have a higher average delay per flight and higher percentage of delays over 15 minutes. When DCA is selected, American Airlines seems to show a higher sum of delay minutes starting in about 2015 and into the predictive analysis, but it doesn't seem to carry into the other categories. Selecting BWI shows that American Airlines also seems to have a higher trend of average delays and delays over 15 minutes. The predictive analytics also seem to support this, although I continue to have low confidence in them. Figure 4 is a box and whisker chart of the information broken down by airport, airline, and then by month with columns indicating airline performance. When I look at United Airlines at IAD, I don't see any drastic differences between the other airlines. The differences in the data points are slight and seem to only be about 1 or 2%. American Airlines at IAD shows a slightly noticeable increase in delays per flight and delays over 15 minutes. But once again, it is only about 1 or 2%. The increase for American Airlines in 2015 can be seen in the summer months and indicates a possible trend, although slight. American Airlines at BWI does not show any apparent visual trends of average delays and delays over 15 minutes. Figure 5 is a visual numeric chart. It can be seen in the chart that my assumptions about the data prove to be correct, and it verifies my previously mentioned findings. It can be seen that the average delay per flight only differs from 1 to 4 minutes, the percentage of delays over 15 minutes from 1 to 5%, and the percentage of arrivals canceled differs only 1 to 2%. In conclusion, there is no significant difference enough to warrant justifying driving any extra distance to utilize one of the studied airports over the other, and only a relatively insignificant difference between each airline at the airport. My data was sourced from the official website of the Bureau of Transportation Statistics. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation.